Hello everyone and welcome. So today we are going to be designing this really cool isometric poster, and let's go. So the first thing we need to do is just create a new document. I'm going to use a 1700, 2400 RGB and just press create. Perfect. So as always, I really like to design a background. As soon as I start, I don't really like to design with a white page. Let's just change this for something nice like this. Take the stroke out, select the stroke, take it out. Yeah, perfect. I'm just gonna lock this for now. So next we want to do is create a text that we want to make isometric. I'm gonna use the letters ISO. It stands for isometric, very original. And I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna choose a really nice font, which is Pangram. And I'm gonna use the black one. Yeah, let's use the black one for now. Great. So now I'm just gonna change the text to a different color, something more like this. You can't see it very well for now, but it's gonna work out. So let's right click on the text, select it, and right click and create outlines, and right click again and ungroup it. Let's just drag this on the side for now. Let's just, I just need really quick to have this one on my side for the example. Just a second, I'm sorry for that. And going just to go select our letter I here. I'm going to 3D and materials, 3D classic, extrude and bevel. Great, and then just make it maybe 200 would be enough. Yes. And let's go to here, just choose our position as isometric right. I think it works, yes. And let's just go and change the light direction for now, so we can actually have a better view of the faces here. This one is done. Let's get letter S here. Let's go to effects, apply extrude and bevel here as well. Let's make it top like this. Yeah, press OK. I'm gonna leave the same extrude values as before, as we're going to do this like that. And let's go again to letter O, effects, and extrude and bevel classic. Keep it 200 as well. Just press not OK yet. Let's make it left aligned. Perfect. Cool. Our letters are 3D and isometric now. Let's just select them and let's go to object and expand appearance. Just like this. Perfect. And now let's just make a really quick composition with them. So I made something more or less like this, where the letter S connects nicely here with the letter I, sorry. And I'm gonna make it the letter O. I'm gonna just scale this a little bit more like this. And right click, arrange it and send to the back. ISO, maybe not that big, and maybe more like here. Yes, something. So I'm trying to make like a really nice composition. And next thing we need to do is actually, you see as like these faces here, they need to be merged together. Let's just select this, right click, ungroup them, and just click twice here and try to select all these faces. And let's go to our Pathfinder tool. I'm just going to extend this here on our Pathfinder tool, just collect them all. Just going to right click, something like this, connect them all. Perfect. And do the same thing for the letter S here. Just try to, let's go, please, let's go. And like this. And again, please, like this. And same thing is okay. I think here we need to make it as well, maybe here, just to make sure everything is connected and perfect. Great, so it's extruded and now we can actually apply some really nice colors. So I'm gonna use my own colors here. Where is my libraries? Oh, here. I'm gonna add these colors to my team swatches, and I'm gonna get my swatches from somewhere. There they are. And great. I'm gonna just leave it on the side here. Let's just scale this a little bit up. And on the front faces of each letter, I'm going to apply a really nice yellow here, a really nice yellow there as well, Same thing here. So they share the same color here, which is okay for now because we're going to apply like a stroke later. And on the sides, I'm going to actually use a gradient. Let's just select these and ungroup them. So I can actually select individual faces there, just like this. And again, ungroup it. Something didn't work. And let's just go and apply a gradient here. Change the colors of this gradient to something more like this. Okay, it's not letting me changing. Can I just select the color like that? Click twice again and change this to a nice color like this. Perfect. Oops. And cool. Now let's just apply this gradient to all the other faces. This one's still grouped. Let's ungroup it. Apply this gradient to all these faces here. Just like this. And that one too. And now let's just really quick adjust our gradient so it actually looks nicer than it is. So I'm gonna make like the brightest part on the top on this example here. I'm gonna move it like this. So this one is going like that as well. We're going to apply the same gradient here. Maybe I'll leave like something like actually this direction here. See, it's already looking really cool. And here we actually want the brighter side to be like inside. So if the light was coming from here, this one actually is working nicely. Let's do the same thing here. Make it go like that there. And the same thing on this side. And same thing like this, just trying to tidy up the gradients. Perfect. So the gradients are done. Let's just select our letters here and let's apply a stroke. Let's make it like a black stroke. Again, sometimes go back to white, which is annoying. And let's make it 1. Perfect. It's already 1. For some reason feels a little bit not enough for now. Maybe we can just scale it 1. It's alright. Perfect. So we have our type composition made. The next thing we need to do is just add a few of like more elements here to create a better scene. Let's just move this gradient a little bit up. Adding like a few circles just to add a little bit more detail to the poster. And the same thing here. Let's just send this backwards, arrange. Send to the back. And same thing here. Let's just, yeah, something like that. And there is a big one here that actually we're gonna need to mask it because it's gonna like go inside of the letter here. So the way I like to mask things in Illustrator, just using like clippy masks, which is really easy. I'm gonna just select the face of the letter O here, and I'm just going to drag it out. I'm going to delete these points here. I'm gonna use this face again here. I'm gonna try to match it as best as I can. I'm gonna add a new point here just to make this mask a little bit bigger. Something like that. And then I'm gonna select these two and make a clippy mask. Just like this. So yeah, it's like 99% there almost. We're going just to do a little detail. As you see, like the clippy mask took away the stroke here, which I don't like very much. But let's just see. Maybe we can just like move it a little bit so it's not like perfect, but we can work with it. Let's just make it like this. And maybe a little bit more like this as well. Perfect. So yeah, 99% because the last 1% is just like a little shiny bits that we're gonna put here. So the way I like to do like this like specular glows is just design an ellipse here and apply like a white color if it lets me, and like some bright color like it was like light, and then go to effects and go to distort and transform, and then use pucker and bloat here, and just push this to the pucker side a little bit until it makes a really nice shape there. Something like this will be enough. And then I'm just going to scale it down like this and apply this to my design. Like in random places, you don't need to be very specific, like apply where you think it will look nice. And yeah, it's pretty much this. It's pretty much pretty straightforward. It's really cool. I think the technique is really interesting, and it's very great fun. I'm gonna just add my signature here. Normally I just had like my Instagram tag and the date of today. I'm just gonna copy and put it on the other side, so it creates a really nice composition. And yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed, and please, if you enjoy and if you want to, just subscribe to this channel. I will be doing more designs like this and explaining my process. And like this video if you like the video, and share it. And yeah, let me know what you think on the comments, and I see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.